Dear students, today we will learn about the various network devices that are used in our networking concept. What is network devices? Actually, the network devices are those devices which are used to connect multiple computers, printers, or any other network devices to a computer network. These devices transfer data in a fast, secure, and correct way with some specific functionality over same or different network. Actually, these devices are the devices which will be used when we are establishing a network. Some of the examples we have already seen, already known to us, that is modem, NIC card, RJ45 connector, breeze, router, gateway, etc. Now today we will discuss about these network devices in a brief. Hardware, actually network devices are the hardware devices which are used to connect computers, printers, fax machines, or any other electronic devices to a network. Here I have mentioned some of the network devices, that is hub, switch, breeze, router, gateway, modem, repeater, as well as some other devices are also available, such as RJ45 connector, NIC card, etc. Now we will discuss some of them in a brief. The first one is the hub. As you see, hub is a multi-port device. Multi-port means this device have multiple ports that may be used to connect multiple devices. That means it is a device, it is a network device that are used to connect multiple computers in our network. This is the simplest form, simplest in the family of network connecting device, because it connects LAN component with the identical protocol. The main problem is with the hub is sometimes it is also known as unintelligent device. It simply copy the data and transfer to all the nodes, all the ports connected in a broadcast manner. Broadcast means it simply broadcast or through the information to all the nodes. So this is why it is also known as unintelligent device. Here we can see hub do not perform packet filtering or addressing function. They just send data packets to all connected devices. We have another device which does the packet filtering and addressing function, which is known as switch. As we see here, switch is also a network device. As we see here, the multiple ports are available that can be used to connect multiple computers. This is intelligent one, as it's keep track the data and send to that particular node for which the data is going to be sent. That means switch is also a multi-port device which is used to connect multiple computers or multiple sub-network, that is also known as LAN segment. The problem that occur in the hub is not available here, as it prevent network overloading to a network. It is distinct from the hub that it only forward the data to the ports involved in the communication rather than all ports. That it does not simply copy the data and send to all ports. It only send to that data. It's only send the data to that port for which the data is going to be need to be sent. Now the next term is router. It is also a network device, as the word suggests. It is built from the root. Actually, router makes the path simple, all possible shortest path through which data can be sent over the network from the sender to the receiver. A router is a network device that chooses the best optimal path from the available paths to send the signal. Actually, we see there are the multiple paths available for sending the data from sender to receiver. It chooses the best optimal path on which the data can be sent. It interconnects different networks. The simplest function of the router is to receive packet from one connected network and pass to the second connected network. What we find here, a router is a network device that chooses the best optimal path while sending data from the sender to receiver. Now the next network device is bridge. As the name suggests, bridge connects two networks, two similar networks that obey the same protocol. This is the main definition. A bridge is a type of network computer network device that provides interconnection with other bridge networks that use the same protocol. That means both sides the protocol should be same. As an important advantage of using a bridge is that it is a smarter hub, as it can filter network traffic on the basis of MAC address. What we find here, bridge is a network device that connects two similar networks with the same protocol. But what happens when we are connecting dissimilar network? We can use gateway. Here the gateway enable us to connect two different network with different protocol. A networking device capable to convert protocols so that two different network architecture based system can communicate with each other is known as gateway. It works as a protocol converter. Gateway regulates traffic between two dissimilar networks. Now clear? What is gateway? What are the difference between bridge and gateway? In bridge, the network type should be same. In gateway, it is different type of network. Bridge works on same protocol, whereas gateway can work on different protocol. Now, the next term, the next networking device is repeater. As we know, digital signal cannot carry for a long distance, so it requires a network device that can boost the incoming signal. That means when the digital signal is sent over a network, it becomes low when the distance is increasing. So when we are willing to transfer data over the 100 meters, actually digital signal does not have any problem with within the 100 meters. But when the distance is increasing, the signal becomes weak. So this network device repeater is placed here that boost the signal that is now becoming the weak, and strengthen the signal centricity so that it can carry further. Repeater is a network device which amplifies and restores signal for a long distance transmission. A repeater is an electronic device that receives a signal before it become too weak and regenerate the original signal so that it can carry for the long distance. Now we are also known the term modem. The full form of modem is modulator and demodulator. When we are working with the internet and we have a connection through the telephone lines, and we know telephone lines, in telephone lines the data comes in the form of analog signal, and the computer understands only digital signal, so they are required a special network device that will convert the analog signal to the digital signal. And when we are sending the data to the internet through the telephone lines, the digital signal requires to be converted into the analog signal. So this conversion may be done by the network device modem. Modem is short for modulator and demodulator. It's an electronic device used to access the internet that modulates carrier waves to encode information to be transmitted, and also demodulate incoming carrier waves to decode the information they carry. Modulation means digital to analog signal conversion, and its vice versa is known as demodulation. Thank you.